Hello and welcome to Waltz Intermediate Lesson 2. Today we will learn hesitation change and whisk. And now let's welcome our demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija.
Hello, we are excited to show dance steps for you.
And we hope you will enjoy this lesson.
And we start with hesitation change. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, back to side, close without weight. Now let's look at lady's steps. A lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, forward to side, close without weight. Now let's look at hesitation change at the corner, so we will turn less. In first 3 steps, man turns 3/8 to right, and in steps 4 to 6, only 1/8 to right. Lady also at the corner will turn 3/8 to right in first 3 steps, and then only 1/8 of turn to right. And now let's look at hesitation change in close hold, body contact, and with count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again from different angle, body contact, close hold, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now footwork. Man starts with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, heel, inside edge of foot, whole foot, inside edge of toe, left foot. Again, heel, toe, 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 heel, heel, inside edge of foot, whole foot, inside edge of toe, left foot. Lady starts with left foot, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, inside edge of toe, right foot. And from different angle, a lady starts with left foot, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, inside edge of toe, right foot. Next figure is whisk. Man starts with left foot, forward to side and slightly forward, cross behind in promenade position. Lady starts with right foot, back, diagonally back, and cross behind in promenade position. Now let's look at whisk in body contact and close hold, and 1, 2, 3. And again from different angle with teaching count, and 1, 2, 3. Footwork. Man starts with left foot, heel, toe, 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 heel. Let's look again. Heel, toe, 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 heel. Lady's footwork. Lady starts with right foot, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel. And again from different angle, toe, heel, toe, and toe, heel. Now let's look at our routine. We start with preparation step, then hesitation change at the corner, then reverse turn, second bar reverse turn, whisk, and chassé from promenade position. And from different angle with teaching count, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. To music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next dance videos.